Hey guys, in this video, I will show you 7 best social media management tools. First, let's start with Buffer. Okay, so this one is best for small businesses and solo creators. How to use, all you have to do is to sign up at buffer.com, connect your social accounts like your Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, etc. You can click create posts, choose platforms, add content. You can schedule it and add it to your queue. You can track performance under the analytics tab. This one has free plan available. Paid plans start around $6 per month, but it's worth it. Number two, we have Hootsuite. So this one is best for agencies and enterprises. Step by step, you just have to go to hootsuite.com and sign up. Connect up to 50 accounts or 50 plus accounts. Use the planner to schedule post visually. You can monitor activity with a streams feature and then access deep analytics and team collaboration tools. This offers free trial available. Plans start at $99 per month. It's kind of big because it's good for agencies and enterprises. Number three, Later. So this one is best for Instagram first brands and influencers. Step by step, you need to create a Later account at later.com. Connect your Instagram, TikTok, and more. Drag and drop content into the visual planner. Auto-publish posts with smart scheduling. You can use LinkedIn.bio for Instagram landing pages. This one offers free plan available. Pro plan starts at $25 per month. Number four, Sprout Social. This one is good for large teams needing deep reporting. Step by step, sign up at sproutsocial.com, add your team and link your social accounts, create and schedule content in Calendar, manage comments and messages and mentions. You can run advanced reports for ROI tracking, and this one starts at $24 per month, free trial available. Next we have here is the Metricool, best for data lovers and cross-channel analysis. You just have to go to metricool.com, connect your social account and ads platforms, plan posts via the calendar view, review real-time analytics, export reports and performance breakdowns. It offers free plan, but paid version starts at 18 per month. So next we have here is Social Bee. This one is best for content categories and automation. You just have to sign up at socialbee.com, set up content categories like quotes, blog, promo, create posts, and assign them to categories. Use the evergreen reposting system, monitor engagement, and refine schedules. And it starts at 29 per month. Lastly, we have Publer. So all you have to do is go to Publer.io and create an account. This one is for affordability and strong features. You can add social accounts, bonded workspaces, schedule posts, recycle evergreen content, use AI tools for caption generation, review performance, and optimize. Free plan available, paid plans from $12 per month. So basically, these are just a few or 7 best social media management tools. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.